Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. sqlite is a lightweight, serverless, self-contained SQL database engine that is included in Python's standard library. It is a great choice for smaller projects or for prototyping. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use sqlite in Python. Step 1, import the sqlite 3 module. The first step is to import the sqlite 3 module, which provides an interface for working with SQLite databases in Python. Step 2, connect to a SQLite database. Next, you need to establish a connection to a SQLite database file. If the file does not exist, it will be created automatically. Step 3, create a cursor object. After establishing a connection, you need to create a cursor object. The cursor object allows you to execute SQL queries and fetch results. Step 4, execute SQL queries. Now you can execute SQL queries using the cursor object. Here's an example of creating a table and inserting data into it. Step 5, query the database. You can also retrieve data from the database by executing select queries and fetching the results. Step 6, close the connection. Finally, don't forget to close the connection once you are done working with the database. That's it. You now know how to use SQLite in Python. Remember to handle errors and exceptions appropriately when working with databases.